For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create manga lashes, the new viral lash trend. So what makes manga lashes so unique is the texture. Typically, you'll notice that this style has fewer and bigger spikes across the lash line with a short and dense base. So let's learn how to create it. The entire set is going to consist of wet lashes. If you don't know what wet lashes are or how to create them, reach out for our free tutorial. So to begin, I'm first going to place my longest length, which is a 13 millimeter. This is going to be at the middle of our spike. Now I'm going to bump down 2 millimeters and apply 11s on each side. It's super important that these 11 millimeters slightly direct inwards towards the 13 millimeters so that we give the illusion that we're creating one big spike. Now we're going to do the same thing one last time, bump down to a 9 millimeter and apply one on each side. Again, angling them slightly inwards, and then that completes our spike. Now it's time to fill in the rest. So again, you're going to bump down your lengths by 2 millimeters or even 3 if you want. It is important to bump down your lengths regardless because you want your spike to stand out. So I'm using 6 millimeter wet lash bands to fill in the rest. And here is the final result. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with how these turned out. Now, if you prefer the spikes to look a little bit more prominent, use Lost Artistry's Foreplay product along the tips of the lashes so that they stick together. And voila! If you have any questions on this style or want to let us know what you think, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next tutorial.